Welcome to the Speed Scene Wiring online tutorial of part number SSW57. Part number SSW57. This is a mass airflow style connector for the old tune port injection engine. SSW part number 1 for the terminals. It's 12 inches of 22 gauge wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools, cutters, crimpers with alphabetical index A, B, C, D, and E for the dies. This can be purchased on our online store. And some strippers. Go ahead and take the wire, strip off about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Give yourself enough room to work with. Place the terminal on the wire. Start with D, finish up with E. Start with D, finish up with E. Same thing on the secondary insulation lock. D, E. Don't crimp too hard on that. Repeat the process. D, E. D, E. D, E, D and E is again. Just keep repeating the steps. D, then E, D, then E, and one more time. D, then E. Give it a 5-pound pull test. Last step, pull the wire down until the terminal locks in its housing. Make sure you align your terminals with their keyways. Give it a little tug. Your harness is complete.